Hello dear students, my name is Anil Kumar Shrivastava. I teach PSIR in optional and polity governance and constitution in a GS. I would like to tell you that today I am going to discuss a current topic that has in fact impacted all of us in the morning when we got up or woke up from the bed and woke up from the sleep and got up from the bed, what I mean to say. And we encountered such news items that Microsoft outages have occurred across the world, in fact, affecting global operations of air flights, banking, NBFC, stock market, share prices, etc. In fact, in India too, several flights got delayed because of such outages. However, later it became clear that it was a handiwork of a few engineers who in fact were trying to upgrade the security feature called CrowdStrike in the Microsoft system, but unfortunately such outages occurred in the process. I would like to tell you this happened during upgradation of the CrowdStrike. In fact, such engineers of Microsoft were using Azure platform to upgrade the security features so that no hackers could ever dare to in fact indulge in theft and indulge in cybercrime. I would like to tell you this way Microsoft, especially its Windows 10 operations, were restored to its normalcy in the afternoon session. This relate to the current affairs. I would like to tell you that it is not related to either the optional or the GS. In fact, GS among GS, I would like to tell that I am not discussing polity, governance, and constitution. I am discussing, in fact, a technical point that is about Microsoft, which uses most of the users, in fact, based on Microsoft operations, use what I mean to say Windows 10 and Azure platform. I would like to tell by Azure we simply mean blue or blue sky. In other words, due to technical snags that Microsoft system developed, in fact the entire screen could be seen as blue and nothing was shown there. This has been called outages. I would like to tell you that software engineers later apologized and software management assured that things at this scale, at massive scale, global scale, would not occur in future. I would like to tell you that minor technical snags had already occurred in past. For example, in 2022, 2023, several times such technical snags had been noticed in the Microsoft window operations, but not at this scale, not at global scale, not at this massive scale that happened today. I would like to tell you those who in fact could be relied on Microsoft Windows were hard hit by the outages. However, some of them bypassed it and again taken to their routine work. However, some of them could not bypass it and they talked to the software management at in the US, what I mean to say, and accordingly got assurance from the management that sooner such problems would be set right. I would like to tell you this way I attempted to discuss things that had unfolded this morning. Thank you for watching this.